welcome to Maldives. We're at Centara Grand Maldives. We're staying at the family deluxe Overwater villa, and we're going to take you guys along. So they have 10 water villas on this side. And today we're staying in Villa 18, very first one. So that's the main reception area. You got your overwater villas there as well. On your right hand side, you'll see the beach villas. And we got a little visitor here. All right, let's continue. Go. So this is the kids' room. We got 2 bunk beds. You got your snorkel equipment. This is something that we rented out from the water sports area. And then here we go. You got your king size bed. Got your TV. You got your mini bar right here. Everything in the mini bar is included. It gets refilled every day. Everything in the fridge is included as well. Right, next we're going to go into the bathroom area. We have your dual sinks, his and hers. Have your bath towels, beach towels. And then across it, you have your walk-in closet, storage space, a security vault. And then for the ladies, you have your vanity, you have your hairdryer as well. And then for the life jackets, you have 2 pairs of them. That's something that belongs to the room. So once you guys are done, you should just bring it back. And next, on your left hand side, you have your bathroom, you have your stand-up shower, and then the jacuzzi. You could turn on the jets as well. That paired up with a nice view of the outside. You can pull up the blinds as well. Alright, let's visit the outside. You have 2 doors that lead to the outside. You have one from the bedroom area and one from the bathroom area. Alright, you have your beach beds. You could sunbathe. And then you have your drying area and your wet clothes. Sitting area as well. Have a nice bite outside. Have a call-in room service. And then here we go. This is the main part why you come to the Maldives and book a water villa. because you get full access to the water. Have all kinds of colorful fish. A while ago I saw a little turtle come up to the room. And once you're done, you could, just wash your feet off and then head back in, just relax inside and just taking this view. Alright guys, thank you for coming on this journey with me, this Waterville tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys come to Centara or Maldives in general, an Overwater Tour is something to experience. Hope you guys enjoyed.